Today is 4th of July. So y'all, oh my gosh. Let me show y'all my outfit real quick. I can't take my phone, but this is my outfit. I DIY'd this shirt. And y'all, I'm literally in a hurry because my friend is literally waiting for me right now. So I need to hurry up. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all a little small vlog of me making the shirt and me getting the supplies. But yeah. Look at that one. That one's so cute. What's the son's name? Oh, it's called Jenny. Like Jennifer. Right now we're looking for Cherry's little bed thingy. Trying to get Cherry a chew toy. I like this one, y'all. I don't know. Right now we're at Michael's. We're gonna get my stuff for my 4th of July shirt. Oh, this is the section that I need to be in right now, so. Oh, they have sparkly stuff, y'all. Damn, they're expensive. We are in the 4th of July section. They have so much cute stuff. Oh, I'm gonna put that in. I'm putting that in, sweetie. Look, they have the Pride section. I'm tempted to buy this one.
Look, this is your section.
Girl, you for real. Look, that's your flag.
That's your flag. Look, don't you just love being gay?
Y'all, look. This is so, look, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. Look, there's an aisle right there. I need to check the aisle out. They have a Halloween section already. Low-key, I might buy something like... Oh my gosh. Oh! I'm gonna get her because I'm gonna get collective already. Guys, wait, is that even possible?
Yeah. Make sure you don't eat it, okay? I'll let you play with it, but you
I
can't
wasted
eat
57 on Michael's. Oh, my baby.
it. She said, clean yourself, please.
Girl.
I like that spray shirt. It's cute.
It wouldn't fit you. You should buy one of these.
I know, that's what I was barely gonna look at. I kind of want one of these. Look.
Oh, I kind of want one. Do you think they'll let me wear one whenever I work?
I think so. They should.
Oh, you could do a really cute bow. Why don't you do that one? Like a Lana bow.
I know, which one though?
This one.
No.
This one's really pretty. I think I want this one.
I like the red one.
I'll be getting this to wear like whenever I'm working. Hopefully my boss lets me out. Bonnet, look.
What?
Look at this. They have Twilight shirts. I'm gonna tie my shirt with this one. Oh.
Look how much they are.
Oh,
Each of
that's
them.
why I'm not having this. I would love these when I was little.
Me too, but they say they're bad.
Really?
Let me see the ingredients. Look.
Look at Bunny.
Pégale.
Oh, this way. Bunny. Oh, I think it's because she smells all the
Oh yeah.
Starbucks. We're gonna get these two. Well, I'm buying them because Clement doesn't want to buy them. But we're gonna get these two 4th of July water balloons. Y'all, I literally wasted like $110 like for my bank account. I miss my money. Dame una. Get the little.
I love you. Let me know
Oh.
you're
Try the star cookie.
Nada más que no tenían el sabor que ellos ya no tenían. Y me estaba choking on that dick.
Choking on that birth control. So y'all, right now, this is a little haul from what I got from Michaels. This blank white t-shirt that I'm gonna use for my 4th of July shirt. I got this blue striped fabrics, this red striped one, and I also got this white one that has gold stars, along with this really pretty red glittery one. Ooh, don't know how to sew, guys, so like I'm probably gonna have to watch like a little tutorial, but yeah, it's gonna look really pretty. I'm gonna make it look like this. So guys, this is my 4th of July shirt right now. This is the front. I added the flag and now I added this. And this is the back. Right now, I'm gonna make a bow out of this and glue it over here. And maybe use this ribbon too. So let's finish up my shirt, y'all. This is the final product of adding fabric. The back still looks the same, but I'm gonna paint a little bit, like small details here and there, especially in the back because it's really blank. So welcome back, guys. So now I'll take you guys with me. Let me put my red shoes right now because like I'm literally in a hurry. So y'all, I just put my shoes on. Now I have my bag. But yeah, here's my outfit again. I'm literally in a rush. I need to bring all this for my friends too. And yeah, let's go, y'all.
I hit the curb. I don't remember
No.
the curb.
Does nobody want ice cream? Like, y'all, we're gonna go to Baskin Robbins first. So y'all, I'm right now. I'm with Stacy. Oh, I'm with Gabriel and Caitlin. They're right there. We're gonna watch fireworks night, 4th of July. Are you excited? Are you AI or something? Show them my outfit, please. Hold it.
Okay.
No.
Oh.
Let's So this is my outfit.
Period. Bombshell. Boom. 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 Gra.
I would wear it.
Because it's the 3rd.
Your destination is on the right.
What are y'all getting? I'm freezing. So cold. We're gonna get ice cream. I don't know which one I want yet. So yeah, I got the cotton candy Wizard Creations ice cream. And what did you get?
Double scoop with chocolate chip and cotton candy.
Okay, okay.
Yep.
So good, Loki. It's a 10 out of 10, guys.
Sorry, this is a freaky song. I know, that's what I'm saying. My
So
ice
good.
cream. Yes, we get a Doja Cat.
Y'all, we finally found parking. Period.
Don't play. He don't play about his children.
He really don't
He always
play.
leaves parking for
How long
everyone.
do we take? Wait, we need to figure out where to go. Bro,
Find it actually. Let's like take like a little field trip.
we should find something. Everyone went that way.
Oh, let's just follow them.
Y'all hear the music?
Oh,
Where's it coming from?
y'all, we're hearing music, Loki, but we don't know where it's coming from. Oh no, it's a car. Oh. Right. It's giving antique.
Again?
Yo, it's raining. I'm getting droplets on me right now.
I think it's raining again.
Damn, do we know you?
My hat. Getting pretty bad. My bow's literally about to fall off because of the fucking wind.
A freaking wet droplet landed on my eyelash.
Oh no, we have to walk back because I think she forgot to lock her car.
Guys, I think we could cut through here.
Can we?
Yeah, I think so.
Look, getting worse. Like, y'all see
What if-
that?
what if the-
Bro, this neighborhood is so pretty. Like, I love it. It's so bougie in here. Like, I wish I lived here in that house or something.
Rain on.
The houses are so pretty. Like, it's giving 4th of July. Literally giving 4th of July.
We're literally sagging.
Oh, we're going in. Wait, you're about to run into it. Damn, it's so cute back. Wait, what's closed? Come on, hold hands.
Oh yeah, this guy? Yeah, this is my brother. We're siblings, guys.
Oh, it's so crowded.
Touching my barrels.
They have a lot of stuff. I should have brought more money.
What are you talking about?
Oh my gosh, I stepped on something.
What are you talking about? I just saw a UNT, like somebody had one.
It's so packed.
What are you doing?
You right?
Oh, these are so cute. That's my fucking cousin.
Oh, there's a Ferris wheel. We finally got to a place that's like less crowded.
Play it like that.
I don't know.
Find a different ride.
Oh,
You know, I heard there's a ride called Pineapple Haven.
oh. No, that man is so far.
That way?
Okay. Let's go that way, y'all. Go on that. But where's the light? They have no light.
Melted off. Did everything
Really?
melt off?
No, it still looks good. We're going through the plaza right now. What's that? Yes, I want to go through it.
Wait, I don't.
Let's do it. You could barely see the fog.
I remember when I took a picture with the police guy, and he's like, it was that one of them Ray song. It was like something about.
Oh, that one.
Which one?
God, but like I know what you're talking
Oh,
about.
everybody knows that I look good.
Yes, that one.
We should take one. We should take a picture with the fire.
We should have, because the low-key they're good looking too.
Excited for the fireworks that are coming after this. I'm excited for them. But we're not done just yet, y'all. How we see this next one?
Look at that. It's literally the USA flag.
I can't see it.
Oh my gosh, she stepped on my shoes. I was about to fall. I need to tie them. That's pretty.
Let's go dance.
I said somewhere over here.
Oh, you asked?
No, I heard him say it.
Wait, I heard something.
Yeah, like back there.
Back there? Yeah.
Yeah, because there's a lot of people over there, so maybe. Let me see.
What the heck? Again. It was supposed to be me and her, but she was
Y'all, right now we're waiting for the fireworks.
Guys, there's so many pineapples. If you know, you know.
Right, if you know, you know. Hey, what time is it?
Oh.
Oh, it's about to start, I think. Yeah. So, like, where's the fireworks? Oh my god. Yo! Hurry, come on. Come on, wait for me. Oh my god. milkshake if y'all find that. Okay. Oh, pardon.
Oh, bro. I just saw somebody with a Make America Great Again hat.
This is for my YouTube guys. Do a thumbnail post.
Bro, you can barely see me. Let's do it in the light.
Later. We'll do it later. Where's the little... Oh my gosh. What's the name? Oh my god.
I think we should go for traffic. No, it's okay.
Are you sure? Oh, I
put the whole thing in that.
Y'all, it's still going. That was it. Oh wait.
Yeah, fuck this shit.
Yeah, I feel like I have to. Oh my god. Let's go, y'all. It was an actual good finale. They low-key ate that up. Like, where should we take pictures?
Guys, that
was-
finale was
They ate that.
gag.
Oh, I was about to fall. Oh my gosh. Look at the front.
I know.
Pineapples. Oh,
I don't know if I can get
3 of us. There's 4 of us.
Okay, take a picture. Look into this one. Please, get your head.
We're gonna go take pictures. We're going up this thing, y'all. Gosh. Bubbles, the bubbles scared me. We can see everything. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah.
Where?
Sorry.
Wait, you're eating it up.
Good. No.
That'd be Kylie Jenner.
Can I put the SD reader in your phone? Yeah. Okay, thanks.
Okay. Y'all, we're gonna go down now. We just finished taking some pictures.
Be my people.
Caitlin. Oh yeah. Just that wag.
Okay.
Hey, why you copying me?
Now you.
Not
now
me.
You, now you. Is this RuPaul playing? Wait, guys, is this RuPaul playing? Just walk through.
Oh, okay. Y'all, we're gonna go to Sonic instead. I'm literally out of breath. Oh my gosh.
You're choking me.
I'm sorry. She picked me up, guys. Get you a man like Stacy. Oh my gosh. Okay, you can let me down now.
Let's see how far I could go actually.
I don't want to fall. Oh my god. Am I heavy?
No, you're not at all.
Oh.
Kitty!
Yes,
They're
this is
so
mine,
cute,
y'all.
y'all. Look at
The
them.
press-ons too.
Oh my gosh. They look real.
Yes, I got them from, I don't even know how to say it. Andamilo.
Oh,
I don't know if she was closing and I got these for like $10.
oh, that's nice. Anyways, y'all, I got mozzarella sticks. Do you have ketchup? I can't eat these blank. Like, really? It's fine. So y'all, I'm finally back home. I am so tired. I need to take this makeup off. It's already falling apart, but yeah. So guys, here's my outfit again. It's like kind of falling apart because I used glue, fabric glue. But like, y'all, it was so cute. These were supposed to be hearts, but they don't even look like hearts. Y'all, this was the bag. But yeah, I'm so tired. I need to take my makeup off right now, which is already falling apart. But I need to take my makeup off and then I need to go to sleep because y'all, I have work tomorrow and I close. Yeah, I have work when it's actually 4th of July tomorrow. Well, basically today because it's like 2 a.m. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. I'll vlog tomorrow too and I'll put it in the same video. But yeah, good night guys. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning guys, it's morning now and I'm gonna start getting ready. Today is actually 4th of July, so it's Friday. I'm gonna vlog today. I'm gonna start getting ready for work, so I'm gonna shower and then I'm also gonna do my makeup. But yeah, when I come back, we're probably gonna jump in the pool and then we're gonna do the water balloons that I bought, which are these ones. I got like 200 of these. But yeah, also we have a potluck today for my job. I don't know what to bring. I need to ask my mom if she could bring something, maybe chips or something. I don't know, because I don't want to come empty-handed. So we'll see what I bring. So y'all, I just showered. I'm putting on sunscreen right now and I'm gonna do my makeup after. I'm almost done. I'm just waiting for my powder to like settle in, I guess. I don't know what it is. So like I could brush it off like. But yeah, let's do that right now actually, because I don't have enough time. I need to be there in 30 minutes, so. I'm still kind of new, so I don't know if I'm doing this right. I think that's good. So y'all, my makeup is now done. These are the chips that I'm gonna bring for the potluck. The Lay's barbecue, these ones. Yeah. I don't know how we're gonna do it because our break room is really tiny, so. Okay, y'all, now I'm on my way to work. I have my iced water and hopefully they let me wear this cowboy hat. Wish me luck. So y'all, at first it was kind of bored. My friend had morning shift, so we saw each other for a little bit, but then it was pretty boring until it started raining. It's literally raining right now, guys.
I know the lifeguards are here. The lifeguards are talking. One of them. Oh, shit,
Wait, that's like really bad. That's like really bad. Oh my god. No! Oh my gosh, it's actually all white. Guys, oh my gosh. It's like really bad. Oh my god.
Start cleaning.
Guys, I don't want to get my hours cut. We just need some more hours. Guys, we're literally, I'm in this bed, and guys, like, it's literally like raining so bad. Like, honey, no. Oh my gosh, my hat. Oh my gosh. What do we do? Yes, look at the water, guys. What? Well.
No, they
Oh my gosh. Get in, girl, get in. Guys, we're literally all wet. Like, guys, look at that. so wet, guys.
Stop, you guys, this is us.
We're like all wet right now, like.
Literally, they told us, they literally trapped us, bro. They
Yes,
said, go in there. And it
they're
was
so
locked.
big. They're so big for that. I'm like all wet, like my makeup. No. Stop.
Like the rest of the day, bueno. Y'all, this is like.
Bro, look at it.
Why is God in this? They're still here. It's because I'm shy. Like, what do you expect?
Oh, my pizza got wet.
You got your food before. You gotta say that.
Oh my gosh, I just ran
No, they
so
just
bad.
unlocked it, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Your parents.
This is tad wet.
Just a little bit, just a little bit. Oh my gosh, y'all. So y'all, right now, oh my gosh, my mascara is everywhere. Right now, I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna shower again. We got water poured on us, and then what else? Yeah, I just feel gross. So like, I need to take a shower again. Anyways, let me go shower right now. I need to pick out comfy clothes. I'll be back. So y'all, I just showered. I still have a little bit mascara on me, but I got fries. Let me show y'all. Let's do a taste test. They're good. Y'all, I'm gonna bring my balloons now, because Alaya keeps spraying me with water, like, girl. Y'all, we're gonna do the water balloons now.
Guys, I got wet.
I'm gonna. Oh. Sorry. Amani. So y'all, they have red, white, blue in the sky. Oh my. Oh. Shouldn't they fall? Oh my gosh, it sprayed in my eye. Oh, okay, that scared me. I didn't get it on camera. Yeah, it turned red. It turned. They're not popping, guys. Oh my god. Colors? Let's do the other colors. Oh. Oh, not the blue ones. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, guys, stop.
You want me to record for you?
No, it's okay. I'm scared. So, the war started already. Oh, sorry. Damn, there's a lot. Oh, that one's a little different. Damn. Oh, God. Stop.
Hell no, them headshots feel horrible.
Okay, so I have to mute it for copyright, but the goal for this one is you have to do rock, paper, scissors, and if you get one completely different from the others, you get hit by a water balloon. By everybody. I'm gonna do this one, y'all. Oh yeah. Okay. Y'all are fucked up. Stop, guys. Oh my gosh, not me, guys, please. Oh my gosh, guys, I literally got boobs. Look, I'm gonna show that. Look. Look.
Nah, I'm gonna play with that.
My titties falling. Mine are so sticky. Oh.
Did it fall?
Oof, I gotta take my boobs out, y'all. So yeah, no, I'm not. Whoever loses this one gets hit by 2 extra ones.
No, because you're not playing.
Yes.
That's not fair.
How? Only one. Okay. No, 2.
Give me the thing.
Oh. Only
What? Nah, because it's
one from me and one from you. That's why. Oh. No, you said no. Stop. I just changed. They're gonna play the rock, paper, scissors water balloon game.
Ah, you can't do that. You don't be my name and you hit it again. Oh my god. What?
Oh my gosh. You're lucky that didn't make sense. Oh, let me stand back for this one. Girl.
Did it pop?
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah.
Oh, no!
You want some of this?
Oh no.
Hey, put over it. I didn't want to hurt it. Because it hurt.
It does hurt, bro. Whenever y'all did it to me, that shit hurt.
Shoot. You want me to pop it?
Oh. You're just hitting her at this point, bro. It's not even popping.
No! Oh.
Oh my god.
Were you
You're not popping.
Okay, let me try.
Yeah? Oh, why did I pop?
What the heck? Y'all need to be further away, I think. Ooh, oh, that's not her. Oh, I know that shit hurt. Wait, so like, if you get it wrong, what happens?
Everybody gets to throw it.
No, if you guess it right, you throw it at everybody else. You throw it.
If you guess it wrong, we all get to
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah.
So, guys, we're gonna play trivia. It's gonna be the theme for this will be Disney theme. It will be Disney theme, okay? So, who wants to go first? Okay. Okay, your question is, how many Frozen movies are there?
2.
Yep.
So all of y'all like no?
If he got the question right, he has to hit people. Okay.
Turn around.
Oh, what year did Disneyland open?
What topic?
2024? I don't know.
Girl. Oh, okay, a different
Remember
time.
the Caigo de Risa game where he asked something and we keep naming it until one.
Oh, okay, I like that.
And then
Okay.
instead of the
Kind
cause
of like Wordle.
yes.
Okay, so the theme will be,
Any question like give me names with A. Or
okay,
stuff like that.
give me fruit names.
Apple.
Pear,
Banana,
Grape.
Kiwi.
orange,
mango,
Cucumber.
Strawberry.
zucchini.
raspberry. Zucchini is
Wait.
a vegetable.
Wow. 10-second timer.
No, but they.
Cucumber. So she's gonna have to get hit because she said a vegetable, not a fruit. Okay, the theme for this will be liquids.
Water.
Soda.
Well, y'all have to be specific.
Soda.
I said water.
Every type of
Yeah,
soda,
soda.
juice.
Oh shit.
Just make sure it doesn't repeat. Just make sure it doesn't repeat.
River.
Lemonade.
1, 2.
A lava.
Lava's the top of
Ain't
That is a
no
liquid,
way.
yeah.
The ocean.
Nah.
I mean, it counts. 1.
Apple juice.
But I had said
Yeah, she said juice already. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he just gave up, y'all. Oh. Damn.
Hey, that was
Switch. Shuffle.
You hold Carlos by getting rid of
Yeah, I know.
well, that's because that's what I said. He
said
said
soda.
soda. I was like,
and
what?
then juice.
Okay, the theme for this one will be hygiene products.
Like
Yeah, like
Anything.
like anything.
like German.
Yeah, anything. Okay, German.
Your turn.
One.
Vaseline, shampoo,
Deodorant.
Toothpaste.
water, body wash.
Shampoo.
Wait, didn't someone say
I
shampoo
said
already?
shampoo.
Replay said she said shampoo, so he gets his ass whooped. Oh! I'm not vlogging that, bruh. What the fuck? Theme for this one will be religions. Religions. Okay. Your turn. 1, 2.
No, ya dijo, Alaya. Go, go. Alaya.
No, wait, guys.
No, go.
But there's a timer.
I didn't hear it.
Bruh, that was cut off too early. That was a good theme, bruh. Guys, just go, just go.
I love it. Damn. Who had me first?
Alaya. Do the same theme because it was a good one. It's just that it got cut off too early.
Christian and they want Christian.
Okay, come on, line up. It will be the same theme. It will be the same theme.
Same team?
Yeah. 1,
Muslim.
Zionist.
1.
Satanist.
He's
Okay. 1.
Ramadan.
1. Okay. Okay, the theme for this one will be flowers.
Shit.
Beanies.
Roses.
Sunflower.
tulips.
Spider moons.
Baby breath.
Roses.
Blue bonnet.
Wait, someone said someone said roses.
Tulips. Tulips. Hey,
I
I'm
already
gonna
said
send
two.
it to
I said
Tulips too.
Girl, line up. Line. Oh my god. Okay, the theme for it's because I don't know if Alaya will know this. The themes for this one will be YouTube short memes or Line memes. So just quote them.
What you doing watching this?
21.
I'm in my mom's car.
LeBron James.
I'm ready to pop these flowers.
1, 2,
That goes like this.
3, 4.
That's a
Name.
Okay.
Name it.
Yeah, like she goes like this.
Okay, well I guess. 1,
Did y'all say 21 already?
Yeah.
Yeah.
3.
Wait, no. No, yeah, it's Wednesday, my dudes.
Okay.
Y'all can
Okay,
have
1,
like
2, 3.
Breakfast.
I don't know any of them.
1,
Oh,
2, 3, 4,
y'all are cheat. I don't know.
5.
Yeah,
Girl,
I
you had
Yeah,
YouTube shorts
y'all
too
are
because you watch
cheating
YouTube
on
shorts.
it. Y'all get the whole 5
Okay, guys, new rule. If you repeat the word, you get 5 seconds to come up with the second option.
Y'all get
So it
like
could be fair.
7 seconds.
Count. Damn.
They don't have.
Bro.
I'm homophobic.
Oh.
Colors.
What color?
So it could last.
Yo, just do
Okay,
colors.
fine. Colors.
Blue,
Red.
white,
Orange.
black,
Purple.
yellow.
Black.
Someone said black. 1,
Yeah, I said black. I said
2,
black. I said black.
1. Oh, okay. Oh. Damn. New theme. It will be Disney princesses. 1,
Princess
2.
Cinderella.
Okay.
Rapunzel.
Belle.
1,
Mulan.
1, 2.
I said Snow White.
White,
She
okay.
said Mulan.
Okay.
You
Okay.
gonna say Snow White?
You're next. 1.
Princess Fiona.
That's
Wait.
That
Boy.
Princess.
No.
Quanaya.
No. Who the fuck is that? Oh, girl. Boys. The next theme is gonna be body parts.
Arm.
Nice.
Neck.
Heart.
Eyes.
Lungs.
Fingers.
Thighs.
Your nose.
Eyebrows.
Toes.
Eyes.
Did someone say eyes already?
I think someone said eyes. Oh, I said eyes.
Okay.
Oh,
1. No.
I said nose.
2,
Ears.
Tongue.
Lips.
1, 2,
chest.
Hair.
1,
Your heart.
Yeah, somebody
Somebody
said
already
heart.
said
1,
Your stomach.
2,
Oh, nobody says that.
One.
Your calves.
Penis.
Say your best.
Knee,
What?
knee.
okay.
Vagina.
Oh, 1,
Your.
2, 3, 4,
Five.
5.
Five, yeah,
Girl,
yeah,
damn. Oh, that was your own daughter.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, damn. Oh,